El Olimpo Medellin. 5 stars. Located in Medellín, 2.3 miles from 70th Avenue, El Olimpo Medellin provides accommodations with a garden. The property is close to several well-known attractions, a 9-minute walk from Laureles Park, 1,800 feet from San Antonio's Square and an 8-minute walk from Ecotourism Park Arví. The property has a shared kitchen, and organizing tours for guests. Very helpful staff, nice room and hotel is in safe area. Follow the link in the description to find out the price of accommodation on the most reliable hotel portal in the world. The best place in Laureles. Perfect place and great deal. Big rooms with balcony. Follow the link in the description of this video. You will find the hotel rating, the best price and excellent customer service. Our team did a lot of work to create this video. Press like and subscribe to our channel.